Hey guys, I'm Brandon with Porch Windows Direct. We have a video for you today where we are installing a glass railing into a porch that we installed our Extend windows into a few weeks ago. This house was built by Moderno Homes, and when we did the original installation there was an aluminum railing in there, and we mentioned in that video that we'd be coming back, and here we are. We're doing that now. We will have a link in the description below to the original installation if you'd like to see that whole process of putting in the windows. But today we're just doing a glass railing that we're installing with the windows. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for checking it out, and we'll get to it.